Hello everyone, welcome to SenthilSmartQAHub. In today's section, we are going to learn how to handle multiple windows in the Playwright. For example, here I am going to click on this third button, Open YouTube button. It will open the application in the next tab. So this is the tabbed window. And here I'm going to click on the first button, Open Playwright Codes. It will open the separate window. This is the new browser window. In order to handle the tabbed window and new browser window, we use the same method in the Playwright. Now, we will write a coding for the multiple windows. Now, let me open the VS Code. I'll create a separate spec file for this scenario. Here, I'll give the spec file name handling windows. .spec.ts. Now we'll write the test method, test, then title I'll give handling multiple windows, comma async of page fixture, then error function. Import the test method. Now we'll open the applications, await, page.go to. I'll give the application URL here. Then after open the application, I'm going to click on the Open Playwright Codes button. Open Playwright Codes button, right click, inspect element. Here I'll go with the button text. Await page.get by text. I'll give the button text. Dot click. After click on this open Playwright codes, it will open the new browser. It will open the new browser. So we have two pages now. This is the first page and this is the second page. Initially we opened this first page, and after click on this open Playwright codes and you will get the second page. Totally two pages. So in Playwright we have to first fetch all the pages. Pages means browser. We have method called page.context.pages. These functions are not asynchronization functions, so we cannot write await keyword here. So this will fetch all the pages. Currently we have to click on the open Playwright codes. We have two pages. It will fetch all the two pages. Then I'm going to store it in the variable constant total page. Total page. We'll check totally how many pages are present through the programmatically. So I'll print console.log total page dot. We have a length property. So this statement used to come to know total number of pages. Total number of pages. Now let me run the code. npx playwright test, then spec file name. What is the spec file name? Handling windows.spec.ts. So it will open the application. It will click on the open on Playwright codes. Then execution over. Then immediately the browser got closed. And we got only one pages. It's saying only one pages because immediately click on this button. The page is not loaded. So the page.context pages will fetch only one window is loaded. So it will get it because this is not asynchronized method. Then explicitly we have to write the wait for this statement. Await page dot timeout. I will give for 6 seconds. Now let me run it. Now this time it will click on the open Playwright codes and it will wait for some time to load the new window. Now totally we have two pages. So we'll get output is 2. Okay, we got the 2. Now we got total number of pages. Now by default the control will be present on the first window. Now I want to change control to new window. For this, so I'll write it change the control from current window to new browser window. So now how to do is, so we have total pages. See here the total pages are stored in the page of array. Page of 0 will have the current window control and page of 1 will have the new window control. Here I'll take constant new page equal total page. New page equal total page of, I'll give 1. Because array index value starts from 0. The total page of 0 indicates the current window. Total page of 1 indicates the new browser window. Now we are taking the new browser window to this variable. Then we can call await new page. In the new page, what I want to do here is click on this open Playwright course. In the new page, I just want to get the title of these applications. So to get the title of the application, dot title. So this will fetch the title of the new browser window. Then I'll store it in the variable constant title. Now let me print the title console.log title. This will fetch the new browser window title. Now we'll run the code. So we got the new page title. Here we have only 2 pages. Suppose we have multiple pages, we cannot add code here 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Suppose we have now 4 pages and I want to go for the 4th pages. We have to give total page of 3 index value. So here we are just add coding. So I don't want to add code it here. I want to go to the particular page based on the title. I just comment this line. Then write the for of statement for iterating all the pages. Constant p of total page. It will traverse all pages one by one. It will be assigned to the p variable. Inside the for loop, I'll fetch the title of the respective browser. Await p dot title. First we'll print all the title of the page. Then we'll change control to the new page. So here I'll take variable constant. I'll give the variable name page title. Now I'll remove this statement. Here I'll print the title console.log page title. Now let us run the code. We'll check all the pages title getting printing or not. First window title is handling windows. Second window title is Playwright online course topics. Here this 2 window title got printed. Now based on the window, now we are going to change the control to the particular page. So example here I want to change control to the second window. Now this is the title. I'll copy the title. Here I'll do the if condition, if page title. How do you check 2 values are equal or not in JavaScript? Includes then this title. If page title is equal to Playwright online course topics, then here inside the if statement I'm going to take the page. So outside the for loop I'll declare variable let new page. I'll take here new page equal P. We got the expected title. We change control to the new page based on the title of the browser. And here I can perform the operation now. So await new page dot, for example, here what operation we can do on the new page. I'm going to click on the practical website. Right click, inspect element. I'll take the text of the element dot get by text. I'll give the text of the element dot click. After click explicitly, I want to wait for 5 seconds. Await page dot timeout. I'll give 5 seconds. Now run the code. Here it will click on the practical website. It is not clicked, so script got failed. We got the report that it is having the duplicate element. Practical website is having so 3 duplicate elements are present. So we are going to click on the first link. So here I'll give dot first. Dot first. Now let me rerun it. See, it's clicked on the practical website now. What we did in the code is we open the main page. So next we open the new page. Then we change control to the new page. Then we perform operation on the new page. After perform operation on the new page, I want to change control to the main page. Then await page dot bring to front method. It is a first page. This is a new page. Now once click on the practical website, the visibility will go for the first window. Then we can perform the operation on the first window. We will see how to close the current page and then all pages. To close the current pages, await page dot close method. This will close only current page wherever the control is present. When the control is present in child window, it will close the child window. When the control is present in the main window, it will close the main window. After the page dot bring to will bring the control to the main window, it will close only main window, not the new window. Then explicitly you want to close all the windows, then we can use await page dot context dot close. This will close all the windows. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next topic.